you doing, pal?
It's sunny.
It is sunny. What are you doing? You organizing your pull-ups?
Cheese.
Jeez, what are you doing with your pull-ups?
I'm signing them.
Are you organizing them? Oh, you're showing me your pull-up? Thank you. Thank you.
Darling.
All right, go put them where you were going to put them.
Again.
See?
This side. Again.
You finish what you were doing first.
Shiny. Again.
Okay, go put it where you were putting it. What are you doing? How come you're putting these like that? Why are you putting them in a line? There you go. Go ahead. Go do what you were doing, honey.
Hey, where'd it go?
Don't play with that, please. And put it back. Thank you. What are you doing with your pull-ups? Are you trying to pick one out? Which one are you going to pick? I think you got them all.
You got shine.
Now, which one will you pick?
That one. We got shine that one.
There we go.
We're not shine that one.
Oh, each one needs to...
I got. It's shining. It's shining.
What do you say, Berber? What do you say? Hey, what do you say when you burp?
Excuse me.
Good job. You put one, take one and put one back.
It's shining. I want it.